Today we will be looking at how to create trails on a Navicup map. There are 3 ways to do this. First, click on Add Path. A small box will appear here. The first way to make a path is to use points that are already on the map. Just click on the points to connect them. You can see all the points of your path here, including their address. You also have the option to delete the point. For example, by clicking here, I have removed the last waypoint from my map. Here you have the option to save waypoints into objects. At the moment, we already had the points on our map before, so we will not be choosing this option. Next, you can choose if the path is for pedestrians, cyclists, cars, or from a bird's eye view. We want this patch to be crossed on foot, so we will choose this option. As you can see, the system has generated a path for us. Here you can name your path. As we only have one class, we will leave this box the same. Our path's type is walk. Here you can choose your path's color. Here you can change the opacity. The lower the number, the bigger is your path's transparency. Do the same to change the width of your path. Here you can also add a description, but it is not mandatory. Now save your path. The path has appeared next to our points in the upper left corner. By refreshing the map, you can see the length of the path. The second way to create a path is with new waypoints. Add your waypoints to the map. One way to add waypoints is to click on the map. You can also add waypoints by finding the address in the search bar. When your waypoint appears on the map, click on Add New Stopover. As you can see, the point has been connected to our path. Tick Track Points into objects and the added points will change into objects. Choose any path type. Our points have now also appeared on the map with the paths. Now customize your path. By saving the path, it will appear on the map along with the points. They can also be seen here. If you wish, you can modify any new waypoint by clicking on it. By saving and refreshing the map, we can see that the total length of our trail is a little over 1 kilometer. The third way to create a trail is the most suitable for hiking. They are usually located outside of towns and may use unofficial roads. Click on Add Path. Add your waypoints to the map. If you wish to create a trail without checkpoints, choose the bird's eye view option. If you wish to add checkpoints, tick this box. Customize your path. Click Save. When saving or clicking on the trail, little white dots will appear on the trail. These can be used to adjust your path according to your needs. You can also delete a section of your trail by right-clicking on a white dot.